Tagedele.
Man, you can't win against an HR. There you go. Right? Wait, I think Priyanka is a Gen Z guys. कभी आपको कस्टमर पे गुस्सा आया है?
बहुत बार.
What's up guys? My name is Anmol Garg, also known as Corporate Babaji, और आज मैं आया हूँ केका के brand new office में. I'm going to talk to some of the employees, the management, figure out the work culture at Keka and what goes behind all the awesome stuff that they've been doing. All right guys, now I have the founder and CEO of Keka, Vijay, with me. Vijay, thank you for joining. Whenever I meet Vijay, I get that Pushpa vibe. Jhukega nahi sala. I think that's been your strategy all this while. From being an underdog to building such a big empire, how's the journey been?
This is only Pushpa part 1.
Part 1.
We are not an empire yet. We are still very small. Part 2 is yet to evolve. Give us few more years.
Definitely. You just moved to this big swanky office, which I believe is also designed by you. You're operating out of 2 smaller offices, and now you moved here. Any thought that's gone behind this?
So for the size we are, it fits the size, right? So my offices from the beginning, I always believe that the roof have to be up. There should be enough roof height.
Right.
And not very congested. There should be enough area to freely walk. We do a lot of walk and talks. So if you see
this zone is
track था, running track था, इसमें वो track lines अभी डाला नहीं है.
Okay.
But actually, if you see everywhere, there are wide corridors.
Right.
You can complain that it was not a very efficient use of real estate, but I think having that open space also brings that open-mindedness to people when they're working here.
Right. I saw in the HR rule book there was a line by you which says अगर बीवी का कॉल आता है तो उठाना है, irrespective of who is in front of you, irrespective of whether your boss is there. वो thought कहाँ से आया?
I was doing it since 6-7 years now.
Okay.
So
you'll always attend that call.
I do, and I also tell the other person to do the same.
That's into because of some repercussions if you don't pick the call.
Not repercussions, it's same, right? घर में शांत है तो ऑफिस में शांत है.
Why do I get a feeling it's coming from one bad experience when you not take the call?
No bad experience.
I don't believe you.
Pushpa style. झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Tagedele.
Let's do it on the camera.
Tagedele.
I believe that means
झुकेगा नहीं.
Oh, okay. Guys, this office is so big. I just saw India's biggest meeting room. मतलब I've never seen a meeting room as big as this. I will show you. Come follow me. भाई ये meeting room तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार. मतलब इसका concept समझ नहीं आया. नहीं. एक मिनट. I think I know for what it is. इधर आके अपनी girlfriend boyfriend से बात करनी है. Hello baby. Or actually this may just be a room for you to give an interview for another job. Ultimate privacy. दरवाजा बंद कर दो, किसी को आवाज नहीं आएगी. आपकी आवाज सीधा दूसरे कंपनी तक जाएगी. What's up? Now I have with me Casey, the HR head at Keka. Casey, thanks for joining me over a game of anti-chess. This is not chess. This is anti-chess. Before we start, Casey, a lot of people make HR jokes. These are very bad people who make jokes on HRs. Not me.
Yes. That's fine.
You like this is the biggest joke, but do you ever get offended when people make jokes on HRs? Rangoli ka joke ho gaya.
The one thing that I've learned is don't take yourself too seriously. You know what you're signed up for. So it's not like my job is my calling in life. It's a means to so many other things that I want to do. So I just don't take myself that seriously as in saying when somebody makes a joke about HR. So bas wahi hai.
Love the attitude, yaar. Okay guys, I'm losing. I'm winning. ये भी बोलते हैं कि HR is always supporting the management, right? They support the management and not the employees.
जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. I mean, as an employee, that is what you see. But as an employee, what you don't see is in a closed room conversation, what is the conversation happening between your manager, your manager's manager, and the HR person. And more often than not, the conversations what an employee wants, they might not get what they ask for. They might ask for 10 things. They'll get 2 or 3 things. So if you actually look at it, they're hearing 6 or 7 times. Now, in an unhappy flow, they're only going to come out and saying, "Acha, ये तो management का बंदा है, निकला." He is only coming and saying what they've decided as a management. Therefore, the perception that we only speak on behalf of the management, which as a statement is factually correct.
Wow.
Yours will be yours. You can call it again.
Yes, as a winner.
By being a loser.
By being a loser.
Yes.
Yes, me. Yay. What do I get, Casey?
the chance to speak with me.
Oh man, you can't win against an HR. There you go. Thank you so much, Casey. It was wonderful talking to you.
Same here, man.
Guys, now I have Aparna with me, who heads the outbound sales and the L&D function here at KCAP. This is the team that she manages. कोई वो सब वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं तो खाली लग रहा है यार. This is lot of them.
It's you know, Christmas time, so people are mostly, you know, for this festival they are doing work from home.
अरे वाह, and you let them do it.
Yeah, if it comes to a productivity, if they are giving up, why not?
अरे
They
ऐसी
should enjoy
मैनेजर
both.
सबकी होनी चाहिए यार. कभी आपको कस्टमर पे गुस्सा है?
बहुत बार आया है.
बहुत बार.
But we have
Man,
to
everyone in
control.
this company is honest, yeah. You know, that's the best part. किसी भी पूछ लो, directly बोल देते. They know this is going to go into the final video. इतना हंस कैसे लेते हो sales में भी होके? Because मैंने सुना है sales में इतना pressure
If
होता है.
I don't do, my team will, you know, get demotivated
अरे
and
वाह.
they will be stressed up too much. So
I'll redo the introduction. She is the CEO of the outbound sales. CEO is the chief entertainment officer as well.
okay, then that's good.
What's been the most memorable moment for you?
See, the memorable is that's what the transformation we have seen. We have faced. I'm sorry.
Customer का तो नहीं.
Nahin. I have been into this 8 years of journey. I have seen
With KK?
With KK,
wow.
of course.
8 years. Graduate तो बहुत तगड़ी होने वाली है.
So-
All right. Guys, अभी हम जाएंगे marketing जहाँ बैठती है. The entire marketing team, they have a very big marketing team. Let's figure out कि ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. Come. ये मार्केटिंग टीम को सुन के मेरे को एक ही गाना याद आ रहा है, जग सुना सुना लाग. Alright guys, I have with me Barun. Barun is the head of marketing at KK. Barun joined as an intern at KK. This was when KK started. This was 8 years back, Barun.
Yeah,
And now he heads the entire marketing function. I call him as a maverick marketer क्योंकि ये बहुत eccentric इंसान है. and I've known him for the last 3.5 years. Never seen a guy like him. वो जो पागलपन होता है ना मार्केटिंग में, that's what Barun is like. हो गया, बहुत हो गया फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन. नाउ लेट्स गेट टू द रियल डील. हमेशा हारा है मेरे साथ ब्लफ में. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी गेम्स ऑफ ब्लफ वी हैव प्लेड सो फार. वी प्लेड इट एट 4:30 एट बैंगलोर एयरपोर्ट.
बट इतने सालों में पहली बार मेरा तारीफ किया है, अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के।
तारीफ किधर करी शुरू में? अरे वो तो बोलना पड़ता है यार वीडियो के हिसाब से. So guys, we're going to play a game of
It's a
bluff.
paid promotion only.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm just making sure how to lose better this time.
वरुण, आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, बहुत पैसा लगा दिया किसी मार्केटिंग कैंपेन में
2-9
and it has bombed.
मतलब हाँ, मतलब ऐसे ही तो होना चाहिए ना.
ऐसे होना चाहिए.
हाँ, तभी तो
इतना
पैसा
पैसा
लगा.
बर्बाद किया है कंपनी का
बहुत.
बहुत. But you become better after experimenting a lot
I
of
know,
things.
I will say after some time you will understand one thing for sure, half of your experiments gonna fail
Right.
and you will have less attachment with any of the thing you are doing.
Right.
And you will be more like, okay, it's just a part of job. I need to fail fast or win quick or understand where I was wrong. 3-6 on camera, I won.
गाइस, हर ऑफिसेज में प्रॉब्लम होती है, पीपल के साथ प्रॉब्लम होती है, बट आज जो मैं आपको प्रॉब्लम बताने वाला हूँ वो प्रॉब्लम मैंने कभी नहीं देखी. हमारे साथ है मिस्टर क्षितिज. ही इज़ अ परफॉर्मेंस एक्सपर्ट एंड अभी थोड़ा बॉडी लैंग्वेज डाउन है क्योंकि इनका फ़ोन खो गया है. दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. और अभी ये सीसीटीवी फुटेज में वो फुटेज निकाल रहे हैं वेयर ही कैन फाइंड हिज फोन जो अभी स्विच्ड ऑफ है. कुछ लीड्स मिली आपको? वेयर डू यू थिंक ये You see yourself? Guys, आज एक आदमी 16 Pro Max खरीदने वाला है. Okay, now I'm going to meet the most important man in this company. Not the CEO, I'm talking about the finance director, the guy who controls all the money. पैसा पैसा. Oh man, इतने सारे Excel पे numbers. Tough job.
Yeah, at times.
CFO वड़ा पाव के लिए भी बिल मांगते हैं. क्यों?
पैसे हमारे नहीं है ना, पैसे तो कंपनी के. We have to be accountable for every single money.
What's your plan for KK? How do you envision it?
We are on a rocket ship, and the idea is to grow with the company and continue our growth journey. I think last 2 years have been phenomenal for the company, and the idea is to grow at the same pace or probably at a faster pace.
Guys, पता है कहाँ बैठा हूँ मैं? थोड़ा कैमरा पैन कर भाई. पढ़ रहे हो KEKA? I am actually inside KK. देख रहे हो डिजाइन, इसको बोलते हैं आर्किटेक्चर डिजाइन. बेस्ट, मजा आ गया. Guys, today I have a very interesting opponent with me for this match. I have Tapan with me, who is the Chief Revenue Officer here at KK. Tapan sir.
Hey Anmol, how are you?
I'm good sir. आप बहुत खेलते हैं ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को.
नहीं यार बहुत खेलना चाहता हूँ पर
अरे-
खेल नहीं पा रहा हूँ।
दिख रहा है आप कितना खेलते हैं. Let's see who's going to be the one who's going to break this rally. अभी आप रेवेन्यू संभालते हैं, इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. I'm sure this rally is nothing for you. आप स्ट्रेस लेते हो सर?
स्ट्रेस सबको होता है.
And how do you handle it?
स्ट्रेस में एक्चुअली अब देखो तो दो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. जब भी दो अलग अलग चीज़ों में डायरेक्शन रहता है, कोई इधर से खींचता है, कोई उधर से खींचता है, तो स्ट्रेस होता है. यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट कोई एक डायरेक्शन पर यू हैव टू लूजन अ लिटिल बिट टू मैनेज स्ट्रेस. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. सी व्हाट कैन बी मैनेज्ड.
Okay, we're going to end this video with a smash. One of us is going to smash for sure.
ओके, गो फॉर इट.
Let's see. Oh, there you go. There you go. The great Dalai Lama once said, "Sleep is meditation." मैं रोज 8 घंटा meditate करता हूँ, ऑफिस में नहीं. Guys, I have with me Priyanka, who's the Associate Director of Customer Excellence. What's the biggest challenge you see when you handle a team of this size?
We gotta talk to each other. I think we're too huge.
Right.
There's, I think, a lot of context gets lost when you like going through multiple milestones. So sometimes we're looking at a portfolio of nearly 7,000 accounts, right? So sometimes it just gets a little overwhelming for the teams, to understand the same context in the capacity it should be understood. But we're getting there. We're building a bunch of tools that will automate a lot of stuff.
But what about Gen Z is leaving jobs every 6 months? What about the vibe thing? They're just leaving because...
See, vibe is important because I think why would you show up to a workspace if you're not happy, if you're not vibing, right? Like the workspace gotta have the riz. Did I say that right?
Wait, I think Priyanka is a Gen Z, guys. I think we've got the...
It should have the
You
riz.
have the keywords as well.
I'll thank my cousins for that,
Nice.
like keeping me updated.
Nice.
But yeah, like I think workspace should feel inclusive, should feel welcoming. And not every person is going to be exactly the same, right?
Right.
So it should feel welcoming to invite everyone of different thoughts, opinions, vibes, so that
Right.
like they feel that like, hey, I'm also heard here, I'm also seen here.
That brings us to the end of this office tour. What a lovely piece of furniture. क्या है ये, चेयर है, सोफा है, वो पता नहीं, बट जो भी है बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. I love this office tour. Met some amazing people, spoke to the management, loved the management's style of leading this company. Very humble people as well. Now you may be thinking, bro, तू ये सब बोल रहा है क्योंकि तेरे को पैसे मिलते हैं ये सब बोलने के. बात तो सही है, right? But on a serious note, I think Keka's building something really kick-ass, something really cool. That's why they've grown phenomenally in a very short period of time. I feel this company is a rocket ship, and if you want to take your career to the outer space, you need to be in this rocket. That's about it from my side. This is Corporate Babaji signing off. And it's a wrap.